Kakao Talk sign up. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure that you open Play Store or App Store and then search for Kakao Talk app. And then you need to download and install Kakao Talk Messenger application. Tap open button to launch Kakao Talk. And now here you get the sign up button. Simply tap on sign up. If you have already or if you already have an account, you can log in instead. So agree to the terms and services or condition by selecting I agree to the all at top left corner and tap on agree and continue button and tap on OK to allow access to your phone to autofill phone numbers. Now enter your phone number and select OK button. So select the send verification message button, or before that you can edit the phone number as well. Then you simply need to enter the code to verify your number that you receive on your SMS box. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful to create or sign up into Kakao Talk. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.